Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off real-time virus and threat protection in Windows Defender, or in newer versions called Microsoft Defender antivirus. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, type in Defender. One of the best results underneath settings should say virus and threat protection. Go ahead and just left click on that to open it up. Underneath virus and threat protection settings, go ahead and select the manage settings button. Versus real-time protection, go ahead and toggle this to the off position. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. So that's how you turn it off, and if you want to turn it back on, all you have to do is just toggle to the on position. So you turn it off and you turn it back on. It's pretty much the same process of doing both. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.